Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of changing the closure system on your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. This task may seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a T10 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Ensure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the mains. Safety is paramount, so make sure it is completely powered off. Next, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your T10 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the casing. Be cautious not to force it, as this could damage the internal components. As you open the device, take a moment to inspect the interior for any dust or debris. A clean interior is essential for optimal performance. Use your soft cloth to wipe away any buildup. Now focus on the closure system. You will see the mechanism that holds the closure in place. If it appears worn or damaged, it's time for a replacement. Carefully detach the old closure system by unscrewing the small screws that hold it in place. Remember to keep these screws, as you will need them for the new system. If you find this process too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you in ensuring your hairdryer is functioning perfectly. Once the old closure system is removed, take your new closure system and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws you previously removed. Ensure it is firmly attached, as this will prevent any future issues. After securing the new closure system, it's time to reassemble the casing. Align the two halves of the casing and gently press them together. Replace the screws using your T10 Torx screwdriver, ensuring they are tight but not over-tightened, as this could crack the casing. Before you finish, it's a good idea to give the exterior a quick clean. This not only improves the appearance, but also helps maintain the device. If you need assistance with this, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Now that the hairdryer is reassembled, plug it back in and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide a quote before repair, so you'll know exactly what to expect. In summary, changing the closure system on your Dyson HS01 hairdryer is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can extend the life of your device and keep it performing at its best. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.